time signatures, or so-called meters. They are the numbers that are written close to the clef. So there's always going to be a clef here. I mean, obviously, there must be pitch, right? If it's a percussion instrument that's non-pitched, then you don't need the clef. But usually there's a clef, and there's a key signature, and there is a time signature. So clef, key signature, time signature. Notice that the clef and the key signature are written at the beginning of each line. So it would be kind of like this. If this piece of music was in F major, then it would be like this for every single line. However, the time signature is only written at the beginning or when there's a time signature change in the middle of the piece. Time signatures have two numbers. The top number tells us how many. The bottom number tells us what gets one count. The bottom number is basically a fraction. So if you take away the top number, stick a 1 to it, quarter. So 4/4 means they have 4 quarter notes per measure. It does not have to be exactly 4 quarters. It could be any combination of note values that add up to 4 quarters. There are 3 types of time signatures. We have the simple meters, the compound meters, the irregular meters. The simple meters are the ones that the basic unit is divided into 2 parts. For example, 2/4, there are 2 quarter notes per measure. Each of the quarter notes is divided into 2/8 notes. 3/4, there are 3 quarter notes. Each of the quarter notes is divided into 2/8 notes. And 4/4, again, each of the quarter notes divide into 4/8 notes. Oh, sorry, 2/8 notes. Each of the quarter notes is divided into 2/8 notes. This is called simple duple because there are 2 of them. Simple triple because there are 3 of them. Simple quadruple because there are 4 of them. 4/4 is the most common time, so sometimes composers just write a C. If you see a C with a line in the middle, it's cut time. It means 2/2. It's also known as a la breve. So, if you are in 2/2 time and you have 2 half notes, you have to write 1 and 2 in. But if you're in 4/4 time and you have 2 half notes, then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 meter to be careful of is 3/8. 3/8 is actually simple meter because each of the 8th note is divided into 2/16. Let's go on to the second category. I'm so sorry. So that's one category. I shouldn't have changed my color. The second category is the compound meter, where the basic values divide into 3. For example, 6/8. (9/8) is also a compound meter. We have 3 dotted quarters per measure. Each dotted quarter divides into 3 parts. 12/8. So this would be called compound duple, compound triple, compound quadruple. The next category is the irregular meters. irregular meters are basically a combination of the two. You can have 5, 8, which is either 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. You can have 7, 4 or 7, 8. With 7 on the top number, there are more combinations. You got 2, 2, 3, 2 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3 plus 2. Imagine how many different kind of combinations you can have if it's 11, 8. Since I'm not a math person, I don't know. But I bet some of you that are watching this video this clip can tell me how many different types of combinations you can come up with 11, 8. Have fun! That was a clip about time signatures.